Jessica with Electra, and today with my friend Kent here, I'm going to be reviewing the new Urban Decay Naked Heat palette and doing a quick demo. So unfortunately we're not going to do the review in the car because I watched it back and it made me sick, but Kent Beagle sends his regards. So when it comes to this Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, it's important to remember with the entire Urban Decay Naked collection, the items are meant to be more sheer. So that's a good thing. If you want to try some warm shadows and you don't really know where to start, this is a great way to kind of dip your toe into the trend. This is also a great palette to have on hand if you're someone who really likes darker shades in the crease but feel like your shadow gets a little too muddy or over blended. Put this in the crease first, then your darker shade, and you're going to be good to go. The last thing I'll say about this is that I could have done without this shade. I wish they would kind of take this out, move these two over, and have added a kind of a really rich chocolatey brown. This is nice, but it's very like kind of a reddish warm brown. I would have liked to have seen something much more kind of dark chocolatey to fill out this little palette, and that would have been perfect. But it's still a great palette. I'm actually wearing it right now, so you can definitely sheer everything down and make it look appropriate for day, or you can really kind of add in this orange and make it look super fun for nighttime. $29. I got mine directly from urbandecay.com, and the demo's coming up next, so give it a shot.